Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I'm showing you one of the coolest feature called Very Hidden Feature in Excel. What is this Very Hidden? Isn't it interesting? Say we have three Excel sheets here. How can I hide this? Is by right clicking on this and I can hide it. After the sheet is hidden, so we think that nobody notices this, but when somebody right clicks on this and they can unhide the sheets that we kept it as secret. So it's actually a open secret, isn't it? But I will show you a feature called Very Hidden so that when you use this feature, even after hiding a sheet, nobody will have a clue that there is a hidden sheet in this file. Let's get started. How do we do this? To get into that, you need to get into IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, or otherwise called as a VBA window. So Alt F11 is the shortcut for that, or you can get into Developer menu and you can click on Visual Basic. That's the first step you have to get in. When you get into this particular window, you have to click on the sheet what you have to hide. Say for example, I need to hide a sample 2. I can see the properties window below here. So I just have to click here in the last option, that is visible. Instead of Excel visible, I will make it as Excel very hidden. So I'm done. I'm just closing the window here. Now sheet 2, that is a sample 2 sheet, is actually hidden. If I right click on this, I will not have any clue that there was a sheet called sample 2. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you like this video, and for more tips and tricks like this, please do subscribe my channel and support. Thank you so much.